Maintaining your bike is essential for ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Having the right tools can make all the difference, whether you're a casual rider or a dedicated enthusiast. In this video, we'll review the best bike maintenance tools for this year, featuring 5 top products: Topeak Mini 9 Multi-Tool, Pedros by Grease, Crankbrothers M17 Multi-Tool, ProGold ProLink Chain Lube, and Shimano TL FC16 Bottom Bracket Tool. Each of these tools is designed to help you keep your bike in top shape, so let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Topeak Mini 9 Multi-Tool. The Topeak Mini 9 Multi-Tool is a compact and versatile tool designed for cyclists who need quick adjustments on the go. This lightweight multi-tool fits easily into your pocket or saddlebag, ensuring you're always prepared for minor repairs and adjustments while riding. Key features: the Mini 9 features 9 essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and various hex wrenches 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters. Its durable aluminum and steel construction ensures longevity, while the foldable design keeps all tools securely stored when not in use. The tool also includes a tire lever, making it an all-in-one solution for common roadside issues. Benefits and usage: with the Topeak Mini 9, you can easily tackle common bike issues, such as loose bolts or flat tires. This multi-tool is ideal for emergency repairs during rides, allowing you to make quick adjustments without needing to carry a bulky toolkit. Its compact design means you won't even notice it's there until you need it. Usability: the Mini 9 is user-friendly, making it suitable for cyclists of all skill levels. Each tool is easy to access and operate, even when wearing gloves. The tool's lightweight nature means it won't add unnecessary weight to your ride, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize minimalism. Durability: constructed from high-quality materials, the Topeak Mini 9 is built to withstand the rigors of cycling. The metal components are designed for durability, while the foldable design protects the tools from wear and tear. This reliability ensures that you'll have a dependable multi-tool for years to come. In the second spot, we have Pedros by Grease. Pedros by Grease is a high-performance lubricant designed specifically for bicycle components. It plays a crucial role in maintaining your bike by reducing friction and protecting against wear, ensuring smooth operation of moving parts. Key features: this grease is formulated with high-quality base oils and additives to provide excellent protection against moisture and corrosion. It's compatible with all bike components, including bearings, threads, and cables. Pedros by Grease comes in a convenient tube, making it easy to apply precisely where needed. Benefits and usage: regular application of Pedros by Grease helps extend the lifespan of your bike's components by minimizing wear and tear. It's especially beneficial for areas prone to rust and corrosion, such as bottom brackets and hubs. This grease ensures that your bike operates smoothly, enhancing overall performance during rides. Usability: applying Pedros by Grease is straightforward thanks to its easy-to-use tube. Simply apply a small amount to the desired area, and you're good to go. Its consistency allows it to stay in place, providing lasting lubrication without excessive mess. Durability: this bike grease is designed to endure harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures and moisture. Its robust formulation resists breakdown, ensuring that your bike components remain well lubricated over time. Pedros by Grease is an essential addition to your bike maintenance routine, providing peace of mind during rides. Coming in at number 3 is the Crankbrothers M17 Multi-Tool. The Crankbrothers M17 Multi-Tool is a premium multi-tool that combines functionality and style. This tool is designed for cyclists who demand reliability and performance, making it a staple in any cyclist toolkit. Key features: the M17 features 17 different tools, including various hex wrenches 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters, a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and more. It also includes a chain tool and spoke wrenches, making it versatile enough for most bike repairs. The sleek design fits comfortably in your hand, enhancing usability. Benefits and usage: with the Crankbrothers M17, you can tackle a wide range of maintenance tasks, from adjusting brakes to fixing flat tires. Its comprehensive tool set makes it an excellent choice for both road and mountain bikers, allowing for quick and efficient repairs on the go. Usability. The M17 is designed for easy operation, with each tool accessible with minimal effort. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, even when tackling more challenging repairs. The compact size means it fits easily in your pocket or saddlebag, making it a convenient companion for any ride. Durability. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the Crankbrothers M17 is built to last. Its robust design ensures that it can handle the demands of regular use without showing signs of wear. This durability means you can rely on the M17 for years of dependable service, making it a wise investment for any cyclist. Taking our fourth spot is ProGold ProLink Chain Lube. ProGold ProLink Chain Lube is a premium lubricant specifically formulated to keep your bike chain running smoothly. Proper chain maintenance is crucial for optimal performance, and ProLink provides the perfect solution for keeping your drivetrain in top shape. Key features. This chain lube features a unique formulation that penetrates deep into the chain links, ensuring complete coverage and lubrication. It's designed to repel dirt and grime, helping to maintain a clean and efficient drivetrain. The easy-to-use applicator allows for precise application, minimizing waste and mess. Benefits and usage. Regular use of ProGold ProLink helps reduce friction and wear on your chain, prolonging its lifespan and improving shifting performance. This chain lube is ideal for various riding conditions, including wet and dry environments. By keeping your chain lubricated, you can enjoy smoother rides and less frequent maintenance. Usability. Applying ProGold ProLink is simple and straightforward. The convenient applicator allows for targeted application directly to the chain, ensuring that you apply just the right amount of lube. Its fast-drying formula means you can ride shortly after application without worrying about excess lubricant attracting dirt. Durability. ProGold ProLink is engineered to provide long-lasting lubrication, even in challenging conditions. Its resistance to water and dirt ensures that your chain remains protected, reducing the frequency of maintenance required. This durability makes it an essential tool for any cyclist looking to enhance their bike's performance. And finally, at number 5, we have Shimano TL FC16 Bottom Bracket Tool. The Shimano TL FC16 Bottom Bracket Tool is a specialized tool designed for removing and installing Shimano bottom brackets. This essential tool is a must-have for any serious cyclist or bike mechanic, providing the precision needed for bottom bracket maintenance. Key features. The TL FC16 is designed to fit a variety of Shimano bottom bracket models, ensuring compatibility across a range of bikes. The tool features a durable construction that can withstand the forces required during installation and removal. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for easy operation. Benefits and usage. Using the Shimano TL FC16 allows you to perform essential maintenance on your bike's bottom bracket, ensuring smooth pedaling and preventing potential issues. Properly maintaining your bottom bracket can enhance your bike's performance and extend the lifespan of this critical component. Usability. The TL FC16 is user-friendly, making it suitable for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its simple design allows for quick installation and removal, even in tight spaces. The ergonomic handle enhances grip and leverage, making it easier to work with stubborn components. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Shimano TL FC16 is built to last. Its robust design can handle the stresses of regular use, ensuring it remains a reliable tool for all your bottom bracket maintenance needs. This durability ensures that you can count on the TL FC16 for many repairs and adjustments to come. Having the right bike maintenance tools is crucial for keeping your bike in peak condition and ensuring enjoyable rides. The Topeak Mini 9 Multi-Tool, Pedros Bike Grease, Crankbrothers M17 Multi-Tool, ProGold ProLink Chain Lube, and Shimano TL FC16 Bottom Bracket Tool are all excellent choices for any cyclist looking to enhance their maintenance routine. Investing in these tools will help you maintain your bike more efficiently, ensuring that you're always ready for your next adventure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product reviews and tips.